people
कैरी को कैसे देख रहे हैं?
I know you turned out just calm the
अबे पकड़।
Dann beginnt das Leben für einen Augenblick.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। चिली रिएक्ट में मैं हूं जैन।
मैं हूं अकमल। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग ठीक हो गए।
तो आज हम रिएक्शन करने जा रहे हैं कैरीमिनाटी की न्यू वीडियो आई है कैंसल कल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
के नाम से, जैसे पता नहीं उसमें वो बिजनेसमैन बना हुआ है, डायरेक्टर बना हुआ है,
देखी नहीं है अभी, आपके साथ ही देखेंगे।
तो चले वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। इससे पहले हमने डकी कैरी की एक और वीडियो पे भी रिएक्शन किया, वो भी
आप देख सकते हैं।
Nobody cares if we have dirt on Arjun Kapoor.
Nobody cares, nobody.
Sir, thank you. Hi.
हाय, लुक चेक कर।
Sit.
ब्रांड बन गया हुआ कैरी आप यार। ये एशिया का सबसे बड़ा यूट्यूबर है ये।
Excited. Hi. Does anybody? Okay. Hi, I am the head of this company. I'm sorry we cannot share the name of the company. We would like to remain anonymous. What do? We cancel people on Twitter. See, about 1.4 million people are tweeting out right now, out of which 1 million are tweeting out their honest opinions, which is not socially acceptable. You cannot just tweet whatever you're feeling. That's not what Twitter is for. It's offensive. That's where we come in. We start a cancel movement and serve justice to the people who have been physically hurt by those tweets. Okay, for example, this Indian Canadian rapper tweeted, "Insaan ki insaniyat dekho, uski jaat nahi." This tweet was so offensive, Naveen's arm got fractured. Naveen, yeah, can you just stand up? Yeah.
उसके बाद वो कैसा इस ट्वीट की वजह से
physically assaulted every time he reads that tweet.
No, I'm not.
He's just in denial. It's okay, bro. Whenever you're ready to talk, we are here for you.
What type of people do you target?
Politicians, public figures, celebs, you, me. I mean, if you take this footage out of context. But I like my targets just like my boyfriend's dick. Soft.
What?
See, we cancel about 15 to 20 teenage celebs every single year. These teenagers, they drink, they get high, and then do dumb things which are pretty much harmless, but we make an issue out of it. We decide whom people should like on the internet. I mean, Twitter. Spoiler alert. We hate everyone. Do you feel the same? Join us.
ज्वाइन करो कैरी को।
What do you want to say to the kids who aspire to have your job one day?
Kids, they suck. Just not good enough. All right, who am I kidding? They are the backbone of our operations. Without their emotional anger, I don't think we would be where we are right now. They are the most naive, sensitive, misinformed humans ever.
Do you get any criticism for your work?
Yes.
Yes.
People say we don't genuinely hate a person. We are just pushing political propaganda. I started this company 5 years ago. This is my full-time job. And this is a non-profit based organization. Nobody can bribe us. You know why? Because our employees don't seek money. They seek fake promises, misinformation, hate, jealousy, revenge. And these are the things fueling this company to cancel even more people every single day. I know you turned out just calm the fuck down. I'll call you later, okay?
Sir, I just found this tweet.
See, normally the boss will shout at his employee for disturbing his interview, but I don't treat my employees like dogs. As you can see,
It's about Sonu.
Sonu
Yes, sir. A fan met him in the parking lot, asked for his help,
and he fucked him off.
no, but Sonu को potty आ रही थी, and he made him wait for 15 minutes. I mean,
You mean we got shit on Sonu?
yeah.
We got shit on Sonu. Come on, boy. You know
Come
it.
on.
You deserve it. Yeah, you deserve it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Yeah, big and wide. Yeah.
उसने ट्वीट पकड़ी है वो वाली, तो उसको नाम दे।
We got shit on Sonu. We got shit on Sonu. We got shit on Sonu.
Woo! I am so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Can I just slap this woman so she can file a case on me? I love that shit. Whoa! Let's go. You do. Let's go.